We start our transformation journey with a pair of beloved but worn-out jeans, laying the foundation for our project. Gather your tools because it's time to breathe new life into old fabric. With precision, cut the legs off your jeans just below the back pockets, according to our diagram. This step is crucial for shaping your tote's body. Now, carefully sew the bottom edges together, turning your piece into a semblance of a tote. Focus on the stitch quality for durability. Next, cut open a leg seam and lay it flat. This denim canvas will soon transform into your tote's handles. Precision here will define their look. Measure and mark your handle pieces on the denim. Accuracy in this step ensures comfort and balance in your tote's design. Sew the handles onto the bag, integrating them smoothly with the body. This stage brings the form of your stylish tote into clearer view. Behold the transformation, an old pair of jeans reborn as a fashionable tote bag. This stylish accessory is not just a testament to sustainable fashion, but also to your creativity and skill.